Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will study about nuclear reaction. Firstly, we must know that what is a nuclear reaction. हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि nuclear reaction क्या होती है. By the name it is clear, nuclear. Nuclear means something is going to happen with the nucleus. Okay, here we have shown the nucleus by X and Y. And how this reaction will take place. There should be some different reactant. Okay, this different kind of reactant here is like particles. Those are being projected on the target nuclei. These particles are called projectiles or incident particles, and the nucleus on which it is made incident is called target nucleus. And after the reaction, the nucleus which gets the birth is called daughter nuclei or residual nucleus, and the particle which is emitted out is denoted by B and called emitted particle. Okay, generally nuclear reactions whenever take place, there may change take place in the mass number or in the atomic number of the target nuclei. As I have shown here, A is the incident particle, X is the target nuclei, Y is the residual nuclei, and B is the emitted particle or the particle going out. The nuclear reaction in general can be shown as follows: A plus X, B plus Y. Now we will study about types of the nuclear reaction. The first type of the nuclear reaction is scattering. In a scattering reaction, the projectile and the outgoing particles are the same. Means जो इंसिडेंट पार्टिकल आ रहा था, जो प्रोजेक्टाइल आ रहा था और जो आउटगोइंग पार्टिकल है, दोनों सेम रहेंगे. जो पार्टिकल आएगा ओके वो टकराएगा या इंटरेक्ट करेगा अपने टारगेट न्यूक्लियई के साथ, चाहे वो दूर से ही करे. ज़रूरी नहीं हमेशा कोलिजन हो जाए, बिकॉज न्यूक्लियस हैज़ वेरी हाई डेंसिटी. तो वो इंटरेक्ट करता है एंड देन गेट्स इट्स पाथ चेंज, और उसका पाथ चेंज हो जाता है. एंड इन दिस वे स्कैटरिंग टेक्स प्लेस एंड नो चेंज इन द पार्टिकल टेक प्लेस. Scattering of alpha particles through gold foil in the Rutherford's famous nuclei experiment we have seen. That is the example of scattering. Now, types of scattering. There are two types of scattering. One is elastic scattering and the other one is inelastic scattering. Elastic scattering, no energy loss and the residual nucleus left in the ground state. इलास्टिक स्कैटरिंग में क्या होता है, जो इंसिडेंट पार्टिकल है, जो प्रोजेक्टाइल पार्टिकल है, वो न्यूक्लियई के साथ इंटरेक्ट करता है और उसकी एनर्जी में कोई चेंज नहीं आता, बिल्कुल भी एनर्जी लॉस नहीं होता. Only change that takes place is the change in the direction of the incident particle. Means the incident particle when interacts with the nuclei and then goes out, then its direction gets changed. उसकी direction change हो जाती है and the residual nucleus is left in the ground state. Residual nucleus सेम टू सेम वही होता है जो हमारा टारगेट न्यूक्लियई था, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होता. दिस रिएक्शन कैन बी शोन एज अल्फा प्लस एक्स गिव्स एक्स प्लस अल्फा. In the famous example I have written again, Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment. Here alpha particles striking with the target nuclei of gold and then resulting into same, and no change in the energies or something else takes place. Now another type of scattering is inelastic scattering. Scattered particle may lose its kinetic energy. जो स्कैटर्ड पार्टिकल है वो अपनी काइनेटिक एनर्जी लूज कर सकता है विद चेंज इन इट्स पाथ, एंड the residual nucleus attains excited state. It means जो टारगेट न्यूक्लियस आता है, जो प्रोजेक्टाइल हमारा आता है, प्रोजेक्टाइल पार्टिकल और इंसिडेंट पार्टिकल दैट interacts with the nuclei, target nuclei loses some of its energy and then changes its path and gets emitted out. Now where it loses energy? This energy is lost to excite the nucleus to its higher quantum state. As I have shown here, A plus X gives X star plus A. X star is the excited state of the target nuclei, resulting it into residual nuclei, which is an excited nuclei. This can be shown as follows, like 1H1 when targets or when is made incident on the lithium gets excited to a higher quantum state and then the incident particle goes emitted unaffected. And this excited nuclei may lose its energy in the form of gamma rays to come back into the ground state. Next is the direct reaction. In this type of reaction, high energy particle collides with the nucleus, resulting into a change in it. Some changes takes place. There two types of changes can take place here, that is divided into pickup reaction and stripping reaction. If the particle picks up the nucleon, then it is pickup reaction. If the particle loses its nucleon to the target nuclei, it is the stripping reaction. Here I have written like the incident particle picks up the nucleon of the target nucleus, means the incident particle when interacts with the nucleus, it picks up some nucleon from the target nucleus, and due to its action like picking up the nucleon, then it is called pickup reaction. Stripping reaction, the bombarding particle composed of more than one nuclei loses them to the target, means any of the nucleon of the bombarding particle is lost to the target nuclei. Here I have shown 14,7N alpha P 17,8O. This can be written as follows, like नीचे मैंने लिखा है 14,7N plus helium and then O and plus 1P1. Like यहाँ पे हुआ क्या है कि जो अल्फ़ा पार्टिकल था उसने नाइट्रोजन पे अटैक किया है और बम्बार्ड किया गया है उसको, तो इससे क्या हुआ है, वो ऑक्सीजन में कन्वर्ट हो गया, मीन्स some particles from the helium are being lost to the nitrogen. देखिए यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन में 14 थे, कितने हो गए 17, मीन्स 3. ओके, एंड जो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स थे वो कितने थे 7, अब कितने हो गए 8, मीन्स 1 प्रोटॉन इज लॉस्ट बाय हीलियम और अल्फा पार्टिकल टू द नाइट्रोजन मेकिंग इट ऑक्सीजन, एंड द जो इमिटिंग पार्टिकल है दैट इज डिफरेंट, दैट इज 1 प्रोटॉन. Now it is nuclear disintegration. In this reaction, the target nucleus absorbs the incident particle and a different particle is ejected. Means जो target nucleus है वो incident particle को observe कर लेगा और एक different particle eject होगा, means that ejected particle is different from the incident particle. Product nucleus is also different from the target nucleus. 14,7N plus alpha particle resulting into 17,8O and releasing the proton or 1 hydrogen nucleus. This reaction can also be written as follows. Here it is the simple way to write. On the sides, means outside the bracket, we have written the nucleus. like the target nucleus on the left hand side and the daughter or residual nucleus on the right hand side, and in between we have written on the right side there it is written incident or projectile particle, and in the bracket on the right side we have written proton, okay, or the ejected particle. Means on the left side incident particle and on the right side it is ejected particle. This is also another way to write the nuclear reaction. Now we are doing photonuclear reaction. In this type of reaction, alpha rays are absorbed by the target nucleus, exciting it to a higher quantum state with liberation of one or more particle. It results into the liberation of second type of particle that I have shown here by the B. And gamma I have written here, these are actually gamma, not alpha. Gamma rays are absorbed, means energy is absorbed by the nucleus, resulting into a different nucleus and ejecting a particle. The example I have shown here, like nitrogen is absorbing the gamma rays here and resulting into excited carbon plus one hydrogen nuclei. One more here it is, the emission of particle is not always there. Here the krypton particle of the krypton nucleus has been excited to a higher quantum state by absorbing the gamma radiations. The next one is heavy ion reaction. By the name it is clear that something heavy is going to be involved. When incident particle is heavier than the alpha particle, means जो हमारा इंसिडेंट पार्टिकल है और जो प्रोजेक्टाइल पार्टिकल है वो अल्फा पार्टिकल से भी ज़्यादा हैवी हो तो इस रिएक्शन को बोलते हैं हैवी आयन रिएक्शन. द एग्जाम्पल आई हैव शोन हेयर, नाइट्रोजन इज बीइंग बोम्बार्डेड ऑन द लेड. Nitrogen is being bombarding on the lead, resulting into nitrogen isotope, and another it is here again the lead isotope. Here both type of reactions are being there, like stripping plus pickup. Nitrogen is losing something and lead is picking up something. This is stripping plus pickup. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच.